Hi guys, today we are going to discuss the Government of National Capital Territory of Delhi Amendment Bill 2021. The Government of National Capital Territory of Delhi Amendment Bill 2021 has been voted as one of the important bill redefining center-state relationship between central government and the government of NCT of Delhi. The bill has amended the Government of National Capital Territory of Delhi Act 1991. Let's see the provisions of the bill. The bill provides that the term government referred to in any law made by the Legislative Assembly will simply mean Lieutenant Governor, that is the LG of Delhi. The bill gives discretionary power to the LG even in the matter where the Legislative Assembly of Delhi is empowered to make laws. The bill has provided that the State Assembly can frame rules of procedure of the Legislative Assembly which must be inconsistent with the rules of procedure and conduct of business in the Lok Sabha. The bill has limited the power of the Legislative Assembly in a way that the Legislative Assembly can't make rules on the matters of day-to-day administration of the NCT of Delhi, and it can't conduct any inquiry in relation to administrative decisions. The Act requires that the Lieutenant Governor has to reserve certain bills which are passed by the Legislative Assembly for the consideration of the President. To diminish the power of the High Court of Delhi dealing with the salaries and allowance of the Speaker, Deputy Speaker and members of the Assembly and the Ministers. The bill is related to the official language of the Assembly or the NCT of Delhi. The bill mandates that all executive action by the government must be taken in the name of the Lieutenant Governor. Further, on specific matter as notified by the LG, his opinion must be taken. Now let's see the National Capital Territory of Delhi Act 1991. It was enacted by the 69th Amendment Act of Constitution in 1991. It inserted new Article 239AA and 239AB in the Constitution. 239AA stated that Union Territory of Delhi shall now be called the National Capital Territory of Delhi, which will now be administered by the Lieutenant Governor. The article also provided for the creation of the Legislative Assembly of NCT of Delhi. The Article 239AB provides that the President may, by order, suspend the operation of any provision of Article 239AA similar to Article 356 President Rule of the Constitution. It also provided for a Council of Ministers consisting of not more than 10% of the total number of members in the Assembly. Let's see the Supreme Court judgment over power sharing in NCT of Delhi. The Supreme Court ruled that decision of the Delhi government will not require the concurrence of the Lieutenant Governor except in matter related to land, police and public order. It had added that the decision of the Council of Ministers will however have to be communicated to the LG. The LG was bound by the aid and advice of the Council of Ministers. The judgment did not specify matters relating to service and other issue. What is the criticism of the bill? The bill demeans the federal structure by obstructing the sharing of power between the three tiers of democracy. Also, there is no clarity on what will happen in case of difference of opinion between LG and Delhi government. There is no time period mentioned in the bill in which the Lieutenant Governor has to take decision if matter is referred to by the Council of Ministers. It also violates the principle of constitutionalism, which propounds doctrine that a government's authority is determined by a body of laws or constitution. The provision of taking permission from a central government's appointee on executive decision of day-to-day life affairs is against the underlying provision of the Constitution. Thank you.